Hello students, myself Ravi Mishra, PGT Biology. Today we discuss how we draw the structure of human digestive system. In this video, because in previous video we discuss about the human digestive system. This diagram is very useful in board classes, exam. So firstly we draw the mouth and buccal cavity portion of human digestive system. We start to draw the diagram of human digestive system. Firstly we draw the nose and this part that represent the buccal cavity portion. Now we make neck side of human body. So after the preparation of mouth and buccal cavity, we draw next step means esophagus. It is a tube-like structure. That open into J-shaped like organ. Firstly maintain the outer boundary of human body. After the stomach, we draw liver, after the liver, we draw gallbladder, after gallbladder we draw the leaf-like structure that is called pancreas. That is called pancreas. After the pancreas, we draw large intestine, in large intestine appendix are present, and the next portion in large intestine is rectum, and rectum open into last portion anus. After the large intestine, we draw small intestine, small intestine open into large intestine. Now we draw the head portion of the human digestive system. Now after this we draw the diaphragm. Already we know that the stomach that present below the diaphragm. Now after this we levelize this diagram. The first part of this diagram is mouth. Second, tongue. Third, salivary glands. Salivary gland. Fourth, esophagus. Esophagus. Fourth, diaphragm. Fourth, diaphragm. Fifth, liver. Fifth, liver. Next, stomach. Next, pancreas. Next part of this diagram, gallbladder. Next, bile duct. Bile duct. Next, small intestine. Small intestine. Next, large intestine. Large intestine. Next portion name, rectum. And last portion by which the undigested food material is removed is anus. And the second portion of large intestine is appendix. Now, the leveling of human digestive system is completed. Then complete the diagram of human digestive system. Now students, do the practice of this diagram 4 to 5 times. Now in next video we discuss about human respiratory system.